welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to Ashimaryhair for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to see how I got this look right here from start to finish, just stay tuned and keep watching. Also guys, this is with no leave out, so you're definitely gonna want to see how I achieved this look. It came out so cute and it was actually very easy. Alright y'all, so let's get into this install. So as you guys can see, at Ashimary, they always send me a bunch of goodies in my package. So I'm just showing you guys everything, and they gave me this really cute robe, which I love. I love when they give me robes. But this is their V-part Kinky Curly 22-inch wig. And like I said previously, this wig I will be installing with no leave out. You can also install this with leave out, but just in this video I did install it with no leave out. And I'm going to show you guys a little technique that I do to blend in the root of the wig. So I just want to show you guys all the clips that come in this wig, because we're definitely going to need these clips when installing this V-part wig. You guys know the combs are definitely essential when it comes to V-part wigs, because they help secure and make sure that our hair is not going nowhere. You know, you don't want your wig flying off, so you're definitely going to need those clips. So what I'm going to do now is start shaping up the wig. I always do this with my curly units just to give it a little more body, a little more shape to my face, and it just makes the wig look better. So I'm just going to use this hair tie, connect all my hair together, and then I'm just going to cut it. And like I said, I'm also going to cut some layers in here. I'm trying to cut at like a angled motion just to try to give it, like I said, some body, some shape. Personally, I say this in like all of my videos, but like when it comes to cutting my curly units, I really don't know how to cut them properly, but I just try to do what works for me. And as long as I see a little bit of shape, that's all I really need, because once you add a little bit of shape to your curly units, it's definitely going to make them pop like 10 times more. You tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no miles. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, got the plug, I need more pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah. So now I'm going to start working on this part, and like I said, you guys, I do like a little trick that I like to do with my V-part units to help me disguise, you know, the parting space. You can also do the crochet method. I haven't tried that out yet, but maybe one day I'll try it out. So basically what I do is I just take a little bit of hair from the top of the wig, and as you guys can see, it's very simple. I just take the hair and I literally just tuck it under the wig, and that's basically all I do. So this is just to disguise where the band of the wig is, and it actually does make a really big difference. It just doesn't make it as noticeable. And yeah, that's basically what I do. It's very easy, simple, quick, 1 2 3. I still haven't tried the crochet method. I've seen that all over YouTube as well, but this is just what I do. It's just a quick little process, 1 2 3, and it really does make it look realistic, and it doesn't have the band showing as much, because that's basically just gonna give it that natural look and kind of just disguise it overall. So that's just a little trick that I do. You guys can try it if you like. I would definitely recommend it if you may not know how to do the crochet method, or you may not know how to disguise your wig, your V-part units at the root. This is just what I do. So I think it's real simple, it's real easy, and it actually really looks natural to me. I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could So after fixing the part, I'm now going to go in and start defining this wig. So I'm basically just going to go in with some water, and I'm going to use my Cantu moisturizing cream, and I did also use a little bit of my mousse. I just kind of switched between the two, and I'm also just going to add some finger coils into the wig as I go along. And that was basically it, you guys. After I added these products in this wig, it made the curls come to life, and it really made the curls pop even more. After this, I also am going to go in and start diffusing the wig as well. I don't know if you guys know, but I love big hair. So anytime I have curly units, I love for my wigs to be very full and very fluffy. So as I go along and start to blow dry with my blow dryer, I'm also going to fluff it out with my hands, making it like big hair and really fluffy, because that's just my personal preference. I just love big curly hair. So
Yo, hear me now. Everybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
And that was everything for this install, you guys. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much to Ashimaryhair for sponsoring today's video. As you guys can see, this wig was super easy to install. I love how it looks with no leave out, and like I said previously, you can also add leave out. It's really your personal preference. So if you guys would like to purchase this wig, then I'll be to check my description box down below. I will have all the information, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.